When it comes to optimizing, lights can have a huge impact on your scene. So here we have a scene open, we have a cogwheel with a material on it, and we have one light active, our number one light here. Now, if we don't have a material on it, lights won't work. So you need to have a material on some type of object or text for your lights to actually be picking up or to notice them in the render window. Our number one light is on here. We have the ability to turn the light off. So when we turn it off, you can see how it affects that cogwheel. We turn it back on and we can see it. If we go over to the views section here and we use our Z and X key, we can zoom in or out of these windows here, and we can actually grab our light and move it around. Now, as I move this light around, you can see in the render window how it affects our object. So obviously, if you animate or keyframe this light, it will have some type of effect on your optimized scene. Also, turning more lights on, such in this case, we're going to turn on light number 2 and light number 3, light number 4, and light number 5 as well. Now we could turn on 6, 7, and 8 too, but no need here. Having multiple lights on will impact the amount of power you need to process the scene. So having less lights on is actually better for optimizing your scene. Now also we have choices between lights. We have a local, we have a spot, and an infinite. If we come over to our views again, you can see as we switch between the types of lights, here we have an infinite, we have a spot, and we have a local light. You can see how different each one is, and here's the local light that we can move around. When we turn the spotlight on, we actually get a spotlight here that we can move and adjust, and then we have an infinite light here the same. So we have 3 points that we can move on this. Now, local lights have a greater performance cost than these two directional lights because of the calculations needed to calculate the light. A real life equivalent to a local light is kind of like a light bulb. So it's doing extra calculations to get the same look as a light bulb, whereas the spot or an infinite light really just hitting it from one angle, thus saving on the processing power.